Steve Beshear says now is the time for Kentucky to approve expanded gambling. It comes one day after Ohio voters approved casinos in 4 cities. The governor says Ohio residents will now benefit from thousands of new jobs and millions in new tax dollars. A gambling measure cleared the Kentucky House earlier this year before stalling in the state Senate. It began last week when Governor Beshear's office asked Kentuckians to donate the perfect holiday tree to the state. But since then, people have flooded the governor's office with emails and phone calls upset that Christmas was left out of the title. Cheryl Glassford has an update from the state capitol.
For Jane and me, obviously, it'll be a Christmas tree because we celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ during the holiday season. For other people of other faiths, it may mean something different.
With those words last week, Governor Steve Beshear referred to the Capitol's tree as the holiday tree instead of the Christmas tree. It sparked a controversy that led to a flood of phone calls and emails to the administration concerned about the name change.
And this is not just a simple little mistake. This is a major mistake.
Pastor Jeff Fugit of Clays Mill Baptist Church in Lexington accuses Beshear of trying to take the word Christmas away from the Christmas holiday.
You could compare it to telling the Jews that they would have to call their menorah a candelabra.
Wednesday, the Beshear administration responded to the uproar, stating the name was never officially changed to the holiday tree, that the financial department put out a request for a donation for a tree for the holidays, and that the tree will now be called a Christmas tree after all.
I'm glad that he has changed his mind, but I think he owes an apology to folks in Kentucky that celebrate Christmas as the birth of Christ.
Cheryl Glassford, WYMT Mountain News.